Types of sentences. There are 4 types of sentences. 1. Declarative. 2. Interrogative. 3. Exclamatory. 4. Imperative. Declarative are the sentences which convey some information or statement. It ends with a full stop, such as I enjoy studying English. Interrogative are the sentences which are used to ask questions. It ends with a question mark, such as how old is your pet bird? Exclamatory are the sentences which show strong and sudden feelings and emotions. It ends with an exclamation mark, such as what a terrible idea. Imperative are the sentences which express commands, requests, or advices. It ends with a full stop or sometimes with an exclamation mark, such as you need to tie your shoes, put your shoes away.